I'll give it enough credit then.
너무 우리 배래야.
Já Brasil acha que só por aí.
Nick smashed it.
Put the garlic in there.
You hear that?
Yeah. I'm calling myself. Cooking on a barbie with a beer.
Oh yeah, Jordan loves the Barbie.
We can put our hands together.
Yes.
Very romantic.
Okay.
Thank you. The rice dishes, which are so good. Like those.
Yes. Roast dinners?
Yeah.
Cassava maybe. Cassava something maybe. Chef, how long does the cassava take to cook?
이거 임윤밭에 투하르기에 징가나 짓고 그냥 It's like 30 minutes.
How often should I check?
After like 15 minutes, you'll go and check. Yeah. She will remind you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, they took the beans, they were cooking the beans in, and they've taken the beans out and put the...
Did the beans look good?
Yes, I think it was cassava. Yeah, I think the situation all wrong now.
Oh, bananas, cooking bananas.
Do you grow, does the plantain grow here? Yeah, plantain's bigger. Chef, does plantain grow here too?
Sorry?
Plantain?
Yeah.
It grows here? As
Yeah.
well as banana?
Yes.
Boiled whole.
Because to eat meat is too expensive here, the meat is too expensive.
Yeah.
For getting proteins, they eat beans. So you can come see how they prepare. You see, this is a local stove. This is a stove they use in even a village. They cook like this with the woods and smoke like this. And this is beans.
Oh yes, yeah.
Yeah, I told you. Any picture you want, take picture. Yeah. So you see how they cook. Even the smoke. Even a house they cook like this. So in a home, they live in one house, they cook in one house, and sometimes in one house they have also some domestic animals like goat or sheep in one house. So that was sometime in the house there is this very smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in the rain season they use the white woods because they use the wood collect in the forest. They don't always have in the house. Each day they go to collect the woods in a village. They bring it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Rero
So now is the time for starting the cooking.
Sure. Keep going.
She picked it up with her hands. Is it not hot?
Ngobesa ko gufata ntago shushe. No yet hot, but after it will be very hot. So they use the river to take it.
Cool.
So you can have seat.
Okay.
Some are here.
ubwo rero mu gikoni cyacu iyo tugezemo tubanza gukaraba intoki kugira ngo dutegure ibiryo byacu byo kurya.
So first, as they start from here, they know if they are going to start cooking. They first wash their hands.
Yes.
Any question you want to ask them, you are welcome to ask them. Any information you want to know, you can ask them. Feel at home, feel free. You are as here we are in a family. So think you are visit for them in a family. Any question you want, anything you want to do, no problem.
Take jewelry off.
I think it will be good.
Is that the oven?
This is a local oven, yes.
Wow.
Yeah, when I train them to make the bread, even the bread, they can't eat bread in a home. So sometimes I train them. You see how even you don't eat bread, when you meet in a bread in a market or somewhere, see how they do it. That's why we have oven. I train them to make the bread.
Wow.
Even they don't do it in a home. They don't have that capacity to do it.
Yeah.
Just here.
Yeah, just to know. It's just information.
Yeah.
Yeah, knowledge. Yeah.
When do you start this bread box?
For as me or as the Red Rocks?
As the sort of centre.
The Red Rocks as the center starting. Yatanye jarika. Starting almost in 28, 27.
28 years.
Years ago.
2000. 2000.
2008.
Yeah.
Okay.
2008.
So this food you see, this food you see is common food they eat at home. Bamwe bahiguhata abandi bahiguhata ibirayi.
Ubwo rero tugiye kumanza imyumbati kubera ko ari ibyo biryo bikomera abari byo tumanza.
So we are going to start for peeling the cassava because it take little bit long. So we are going to start for peeling cassava, and when you have knife, carefully, you see how she do it.
I fear I may take longer.
Muzana isafuriya, muzana isafuriya.
Oh, I'll peel. Yes.